Hi guys, welcome. My name is Raha Pamdadi. I'm coming to you from South Germany. Here I teach yoga, breath work, and meditation. And I'm really excited to share some breathing techniques today with you guys that are going to help change your life for better. Most of you may already be familiar with some of these techniques and you may already practice it in your life. However, for those of you who may be completely new to this, all I ask that you keep an open mind and just stay with me and give it a try. All right, so first things first, find a nice and comfortable seat, whatever that means for you. Maybe you're sitting on your office chair or a comfortable chair. Maybe you're sitting on the ground. Maybe you're like me sitting on a couch. So however you find a nice and tall spine with the hips constantly relaxing and connecting with whatever you're sitting on, so you feel stable and grounded in the hips. Tall and long spine. Hands could be relaxing and releasing on the knees. And slightly tuck the chin so the back of the neck feels long. Crown of the head is reaching towards the sky. So find this comfortable seat and just breathe normally. And whenever you're ready, let's practice alternative nostril breathing, also known as Nadi Shodhana in Sanskrit. Bring your right hand up towards your face, relaxing the left hand on the knees or the thighs. So the way I like to practice it, there's so many different variations, but this just helps me calm the mind, is that I use my index and the middle finger and gently apply a very, very slight gentle pressure in between my eyebrows, that space known as the third eye chakra, using my thumb to close my right nostril and using my ring finger to close my left. So find that nice and tall spine. Let's take a deep normal inhale and a deep normal exhale. Let's close the right nostril with the thumb and start the inhale with the left nostril for 1, for 2, for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close both nostrils and hold for 1, for 2, for 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale through the right nostril for 1, for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through the same nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close both nostrils. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open the left nostril and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through the same left nostril for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close both. Hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And open the right. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through the right for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close both. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale through the left nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale through the right for 1, for 2, for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale through the left. And you can keep going, or you can pause at any time that feels right for you. Take a deep breath through both nostrils and just notice how you feel. Notice if one nostril feels different than the other. Exhale through the mouth. And just keep in mind which nostril felt different and how it felt. So let me tell you a little bit about this breathing technique, and hopefully maybe you can connect with some of the benefits and maybe the history of this breathing technique. So studies have shown that this alternative nostril breathing helps lower stress levels. It helps clear the body from certain toxins, and it helps with lowering the heart rate, improve cardiovascular function. It is also known to improve the ability to focus the mind, but most importantly, it helps balance the two different energies in the body. So the yogic traditional literature believes that there is two different energies that are constantly running through our body. The feminine or the moon or the cooling energy known as Ida, that is connected with the left nostril, and the masculine sun, powerful warming energy known as Pingala, that is connected with our right nostril. So by doing this alternative breathing, we help our body, our mind, and our breath to balance one and the other. So the benefits of this is just absolutely numerous, because you're helping yourself, you're helping your body, not only balancing the different energies in your body, but you're also focusing and calming the mind, you're lowering the heart rate and lowering stress. So I highly recommend practicing this whenever you really feel like you need it, but especially if you can allow yourself just a few minutes every morning to start your day by meditating and practicing this alternative nostril breathing. You will start to see the benefits, and hopefully you'll stick with it. I hope to see you guys soon. Namaste.